Hey guys, Gerson with Shalom G Construction. Here in Belmont, MA, Massachusetts, we are doing a bathroom. We're in the process of finishing the tiles. There's a niche there, as you can see. That's the wet wall. It's still very dirty from the grout residue, and we are in the process of installing a heat mat. That's what I want to show you guys. Okay, so the first step to do is determine where it will go, and then you draw some lines, and then you go with a trowel spreading the thin set. After that, you lay the mat, and I will show you the process. Okay, so just bear with me.